The Pirelli Cinturato all-season SF3 versus Michelin CrossClimate 3 Sport, a duel of all-season giants. The SF3 offers balanced year-round safety, while the new Michelin CrossClimate 3 Sport promises sharper handling and longer life. Let's break it down. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Pirelli Cinturato all-season SF3 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from 2025 Tyre Review's all-season test. In wet braking, the CrossClimate 3 Sport stops 0.09 meters shorter than the SF3, merely a 0% difference. Wet handling, the SF3 completes the lap 0.73 seconds faster, about 1% better. In subjective wet handling, drivers prefer the CrossClimate 3 Sport by 0.25 points, giving it a close 1% advantage. Straight line aquaplaning, the SF3 receives aquaplaning at 5.65 km per hour higher speeds and 7% advantage. Snow braking shows just 0.03 meters shorter stopping distance for SF3, effectively a 0% difference. Snow traction, the CrossClimate 3 Sport accelerates 0.11 seconds quicker, a 2% advantage. Snow handling, the CrossClimate 3 Sport laps 0.77 seconds faster, a 1% better advantage. When it comes to mileage, the CrossClimate 3 Sport is estimated to last about 65,800 km versus 42,300 km for the SF3. That's a 23,500 km or 55% advantage, referencing previous auto-build all-season tests and Michelin's internal data. In dry braking, the SF3 stops 0.53 meters shorter, about 1% better. In dry handling, the CrossClimate 3 Sport is 0.8 seconds faster per lap, or 1% better. For subjective dry handling, the CrossClimate 3 Sport scores 0.5 points higher, giving it a 2.5% advantage. Subjective comfort is 0.25 points higher for the CrossClimate 3 Sport, a 1% difference. Noise, both score the same at 9.5 points. When it comes to rolling resistance, the CrossClimate 3 Sport records a coefficient value of 7.6 versus 8.1 of the SF3, giving it a 0.5 coefficient value advantage, or 7% better. In summary, the Cinturato all-season SF3 stands out with better wet handling, aquaplaning, and dry braking. On the other hand, the all-new Michelin CrossClimate 3 Sport leads in snow traction, handling, mileage, comfort, and rolling resistance.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.